Hello students, now I am going to do question number 4 of exercise 9.1. Now in this question we have subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So we have to subtract this expression from this expression, okay? So this expression we will have to write on top. So it's 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So from this expression we will have to subtract this expression. But before writing this expression, we will have to check the like terms here. Here a and a both are same. Since both are similar terms, so we will have to put 4a below 12a. Okay. Now ab and ab, it's same. So we will have to put minus 7ab below minus 9ab. Then we'll check the b term. B term is here. So we'll put 3b below 5b, and 12 is the constant. We will have to put below 3 because 3 is the constant. So plus 12. Now we need to subtract this two expression. Now here we will have to change the sign. If you have in case of subtraction, we will have to we'll just change the sign of the second expression. Second expression means with respect to this expression we will have to change the sign. So here plus 4a will be minus, here minus will be plus, here plus will be minus, and this plus will be minus. Okay. Now we will start with the end. Here minus 3 and minus 12, because we will ignore the plus sign because plus sign has been changed into minus sign. Okay, so both are having negative sign now, so minus minus will become positive. So 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, and since both the digit is having negative sign, so it will be minus 15. Okay, now coming to the next term, here we have plus 5b and minus 3b. Because we will not take this sign, we will consider minus sign. Okay, so plus minus will become minus. So 5 minus 3 is 2b, and since sign of 5 is greater here, 5 is greater than 3 and sign of 5 is positive, so it will be plus 2b. Okay, now here we have minus 9ab and plus 7ab. We will not consider this sign because this has been changed into plus sign. Okay, so plus minus minus, so 9 minus 7 is 2ab. Okay, and here sign 9 is greater than 7 and the sign of 9 is greater here, so we will have to put the sign of 9 which is negative, so it will be minus 2ab. And 12 minus 4a. Okay, 12 minus 4a is 8, plus minus minus, so 12 minus 4a, 12a minus 4a, it's 8a. Variable part will remain same. We'll just subtract 12 minus 5 which is 8, and sign of 12 is positive, so the answer will be, so the 8a will be, so 8a will be positive here. So the answer of the first part will be 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Okay, now coming to b part. Now in the b part we have subtract 3xy plus 5yz plus minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So we will have to subtract this expression from this expression. Okay, so we will write this expression on top. So it's 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Okay, now we will put this expression below this. Now we will have to check the similar term. Here we have xy, so xy is here, so we will have to put 3xy below 5xy. Okay, we will have to write 3 xy below 5xy. Now yz term is here. So below minus 2yz we will have to put plus 5yz. Then we have zx term. Now zx term is here. So we will have to write minus 7zx below minus 2zx. Now we will have to subtract these two expressions. So we'll just change the sign according to the second expression. Okay, with respect to the second expression, we will just change the sign. So plus 3xy will be minus, plus 5yz will be minus 5yz, and minus 7zx will be plus 7zx. Now we'll start with the end. Now below 10xyz, no term is present, so it will come down. So it will be 10xyz. And the sign of this is positive, so it will be positive. Now this sign has been changed into positive, so plus minus minus, so 7 minus 2 is 5, and the variable part will remain same, which is zx. Now what will be the sign here? Here 7 is greater than 2 and the sign of 7 is positive, so it will be plus 5zx. Okay, now coming to next term. Now in the next term we will consider the minus sign. The sign of 5yz will be minus here, so minus and minus will become positive. Okay, so 5 plus 2 is 7yz, and the since both the term is having negative, so we'll put negative sign here. Now coming to the last term, here plus and minus will become minus, so 5 minus 3 is 2, and the variable is xy here, so we'll put that. And since sign of 5 is greater than 3 and the sign of 5 is positive, so it will be plus 2xy. So answer of this part will be 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz. Okay, now coming to C part. Now in the C part we have subtract 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5q square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from the expression 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So from this means this expression should be written on top. So we'll write 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Okay, now below this we will just check the like terms and accordingly we will put below the like terms. So p square q is here, so we'll just put below 5p square q. We'll just put 4p square q below 5p square q. Okay, and since this is having positive, so we'll just put plus sign. Then pq term is here, so below 5pq we'll write minus 3pq. 3pq is having negative, so here we will have to put negative sign. Now pq square term is here, so we'll write 5pq square below minus 2pq square. Okay, now we have p term, so p term is here, so we'll write 8p and sign of 8p is negative, so we will have to put negative sign. Then we have q term, so plus 7q, we'll have to put below q term. Here is q term, so minus 11q, we will have to put 7q below minus 11q. And then we have the constant part minus 10, which we will have to put below 18. Now we will have to subtract these two expressions. Now at first we need to change the sign of the second expression. So this minus sign will become plus, this minus sign will become plus, plus will be minus, minus will be plus, plus will be minus, this plus will be minus. Okay, now we'll start with the end term. So here we'll not consider this term, so plus minus minus, so 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, but we never write 1, we'll just write the variable p square q, because p square q and 1p square q is same. Okay, now here the sign of 5, see 5 is greater than 4 and sign of 5 is positive, so we'll put plus sign here. Now coming to next term, here minus and minus will become plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7 p q square, and since sign of both the digit is having negative, here also negative, here also negative, so we'll put negative sign here. Okay, now here both are positive, so plus plus plus, so 5 plus 3 is 8 pq, and both the digit is having plus sign, so here will be positive. Now here both are having minus sign, so minus minus plus, so 11 plus 7 is 18q, and both the digit is having negative, so here will be negative. Next we have plus and minus, so plus minus minus, so 8 minus 3 is 5 p, and here 8 is greater than 3 and the sign of 8 is positive, so it will be positive. Okay, and in the last term we have plus 18 and plus 10, so if you add these two we'll get 28. Okay, now so the answer of the C part will be 28 plus 5p minus 8q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus p square q. Okay, so this way we will have to subtract the two expression by column method. Okay, thank you students.